Can you see my screen? Wait, where is that? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
It's visible.
okay. So let's move on to class. So last class we discussed what is a Git, some basic commands and how to get source code from central to local repository, or else how to create a one empty repository local, and how to push local to central and all. Clear? So anyone, any doubt yesterday class? Yesterday, right? Same thing. Today we are going to see a few more commands, very important interview purpose, and also real time also. Mostly in interview, if we attend any interview, 99 100% they are asking so these questions. What is difference between git pull and git fetch command? And also there is few important commands in git, so we'll see those things. Okay, now so see here, I hope everyone know this is central repository and this is the local repository. Clear? Now so now central means this is common for everyone. This is central means common for everyone, so anyone can access. So who have access this repository, so that people they can access the, correct? This is the central workspace. This is the central workspace. This is the central workspace. And so this is our local workspace. Local means your desktop or laptop or whatever it may be. So this is the local workspace. This is the local workspace. This is the local workspace, and this is the central workspace. So someone, this is the local workspace. This is the central workspace. Now, here, so last class we created one repository, right? What is that repository name? Project name. Let me check it. Log into my github.com, my account. Git, github.com. Okay, so which is my repository name? Not this one. Yesterday we created it. We created two projects, two repos, right? We can use anyone. So we can use anyone. Now I'm using this one, DevApps 2024. So just assume this is my GitHub account. This is the, so version control we are using GitHub. And so here, what is the repository name, project name? DevApps 2024 we created. DevApps 2024. And so here we have one branch name. What is that branch name? The master branch. Right now we don't know how to create. We'll see. So right now this is the master. This is the master branch. And here I have source code. Here I have my project code and all. And this is the local workspace. And this is the local workspace. And so here are same story. Already last class we discussed, right? This is untracked. This is the staging area. This is the local repository. This is the staging area. So this is the local repository. If you understand this flow, nothing. Almost you know everything. Untracked files. Git is nothing. Untracked TRSCKED. Untracked files. And so this is the staging area or index area. Both are same only. Index area, staging area, index area. This is our local repository. This is our local repo. Now let's see. Now see here, this is local, this is central. And so if you want to connect, with local to central, which software we used? Git. So we already installed Git software, right? And with the help of, we can use pull, push and all. Now, so just assume this is my source code. Now that source code available central repository. I need to get checkout. I need to get my local machine. So yesterday we used one command, right? Now go to here, anywhere in our mission, go to somewhere, anywhere, that is your wish. And so if you are new joiner, if you want to get source code from central repository, and this is the project code. Just I'm giving some name. Okay. Now go to here, right click, open git bash. Right click, open git bash. So what is the command? If you want to get source code from central to local, what is the command? First time, right? So just assume already my source code and all available central repository. This is my source code. I want to get this source code from my local. What is the command? So last class we used. So we are using one command first time, right? What is that command? Anyone? Mm, git.
Git clone.
Sorry, where is this? Okay. It is using. Okay. Now we are using so git clone hyphen b branch name hyphen b branch name and also repo URL. Correct? Repo URL.
Yes, sir.
That's it. This is common command. This is the only one command mostly we are using. If you want to get from central to local, this is the command. Now I'm using this command. See here, git branch is branch hyphen b. Even if you are not even hyphen b, it will work. By default, I am in master only. But anyway, I am following same master and so repository URL. This is my repo URL. Go to code and copy this and go to here, just paste it. That's it. Git, sorry.
Type error.
So
Git
typo
clone.
error, not branch, git clone, right? So git clone hyphen b master. That's under. Okay. Now enter available here. Now see here how to enter this directory. This is the actual Linux commands and all. Just remember a cd change directory name DevOps. cd nothing but change directory. Now I'm in particular path. See here I am pointing to which was star master. Now entire source code available here. Entire source code available here. Now quickly push one file to local to central. I will. So how to create one file? If you want to create, we can use touch command empty file. If you want to create empty file, we can use touch command. Or I want to update some data also. Directly I am using VM editor. VI space. For example, test.txt file I am using. Okay. Now, if you want to update any data here, so this is the non-editable mode. If you want to edit, I press I in our keyboard, insert mode. Now see here in bottom we can see insert and update. Okay, this is just I'm giving a test.txt file. That's it. And how to save this data? Escape colon and WQ save and quit the file, or simply we can use X also. Both are same only. Okay. Now check it. Cat space. Cat is nothing but if you want to see data. If you want to see data in our file, so we can use cat command. Cat space file name. See here. This is the text file. Now it is in which area? Anyone guess it? Just now I created one new file. Now if you go here, that file is available here, here or here. Now that file is available. Which area? You newly
Central.
created, right? So just now I created one file, newly created one file. So that file where available? Untracked file or index area?
Untracked file.
If we create any new file, so that is available here, untracked file. I didn't push any central. I didn't push my file to central repository. Now remaining story same only. If you want to, if you want to add, so if you what is this? Yeah, okay. Now go to here. So now this is the git add command. And so if you want to commit git commit git commit hyphen m message. And if you want to push file to local to central, here we are using git push hyphen u and so origin and I am using a branch name master. That's it. These are the commands. Apart from this, nothing. Now same command. Now it is in if you want to check the status, git status. See here, this is the untracked files. Now see here, our working area. This is nothing but working area or untracked files. Both are same. Don't confuse here. Now I want to move this file to staging area or index area. What is the command? Git add dot or we can
File.
use file name. Dot represents current working directory. Suppose if we have multiple files, if you modified multiple files or if you create multiple files, every time we cannot pass all file names, right? So instead of passing all file names, simply I am pressing dot. Dot represents current working directory. That's it. Now check the status, git status. Now see here, it is in index area, staging area. Now how to move to local repository? Git commit hyphen m and so created. So what is the file name? test.txt file. That's it. This is my message. Now see here, commit ID generated. What is the commit ID? So this is the commit ID. If you want to, we can see git log command. If you want to, we can see git log. Now see here, just now, so March 14th, and this is the master branch, and this is the username, this is the commit ID, and this is the message. Okay. Now how to check status? See here, git status. Now see here, everything clear, nothing to commit, working clean. So I hope everything clear. Now we need to use git push command. What is the command? Git push command. Okay. So now if you observe here, so now file is not available here. Now file is not available here. Now see here, I have only one file, config file. And so this text.txt file local repository that is available here, test.txt available here. Now if you want to push this file local to central, what is the command? Which command we need?
Git push origin.
Yes, git push hyphen u origin and branch name master. That's it. Now see here, now we are push file to central to local. Now if you go and observe here, just refresh it. Now we can see test.txt file. I hope this story everyone know, already last class we discussed. So still if anyone has any doubt, we can ask. So if it is clear, let's move on to new command. Clear guys? Anyone any doubt here? Yes or no? Hello? Clear, right? So now git clone
Clear.
command and git status command and git add command and git commit command and so now git log command. Next what you know, git commit add, mostly we are using this command. So init and all, that is only empty repository and all. Now very important, very important. So git, very important command, git pull and git fetch command. If you attend, if already anyone is attend interviews, so mostly 100% they are asking this question. So what is difference between git pull and git fetch? What is difference between git pull and git fetch? So now you know some basic commands, how it will work. Now today we'll see git pull and git fetch. Now this is the central and this is the local. So central means many people working parallel, right? Yes or no? So many people working parallelly. So let's come to here. So new. Now see here. So this is the central repository. Just try to understand. If you understand nothing, so here I am the one resource. So here I am the one resource, and here also there is, just assume. So there is three resource working parallelly. Three resource working parallelly. This is the project. This is the central repository, and so this is the three resource working parallelly. My project, my repository. Okay. Now this is same story only. So here I am in Git DevOps. So what is my repository name? Project name DevOps 2024. This is my project name. Here I am working. What is the branch name? Right now we are using master branch. Now this is the, just assume this everything is local only. Don't confuse here every time. So these all are local repository only. So local repository or local workspace, both are same. Local workspace. This is a local workspace, and so this guy also, this is a local workspace, and so workspace, and this is also local workspace. Local workspace. This is also local workspace. Now assume this is the developer one. Okay, so you are the tester. Multiple people working parallel, right? So tester, and so you are the DevOps engineer. Just assume. Okay, what is happening? Okay, now so this is the central. This is same story only. Every time this is the central workspace. Okay, central workspace means multiple people working parallelly. I hope everyone know, right? Central means, so this is the accessible for multiple people. Okay, who are working on same project in same organization. So those people they can work with this repository. Now, so everyone already they used clone command. Everyone they used clone command. See here, he also used first time clone command. That entire copy available local also. He tester also used clone command. The entire data, whatever data available central, same it is available here also. Here also available. So now everyone have. So they are maintaining local copy also. They have that repository code. Now just assume I am the DevOps engineer. He is the dev. So he implemented one Java class or anything. Just assume. So as of now, first let me create. So two I am going to create two. One is developer, and now I'm using so two folders. Here I don't have two missions, right? I have only one mission. Just assume he is the developer. Okay, and so I'm using so DevOps engineer one more folder. Now we can easily understand. New folder. So I am the DevOps engineer. Here right now I don't have two missions. That is the reason I created two folders and developer. So just assume all are joined, and so he is also first you need code, right? Source code. If you need source code means same command git clone and so repo URL. So what is the repo URL? Just copy and just paste it. That's it. Now, so he is maintaining local. Now one copy available and he is working same code, local code. Okay. Now that's it. Leave it. Now this is the developer, right? Now come to here. I am the DevOps engineer. I need also project code. Same story. Go to here and open. Just if you need so DevOps also you need code, right? If you need code means git clone and same. Anyway, I am in master, right? By default it is coming master only. No need to give -b. Okay, that's it. Now everything done. CD space DevOps. Now just assume there is two resources. One is developer and one is DevOps, and tester also is there. Anyway, we need practice, right? That's enough. We can compare easily. Now, so what is this guy? DevOps. And so what is this? Let me open both. Okay, now this is the first one is this is the developer, and the second console is this is the DevOps console. Now just assume developer implemented one file. So developer implemented. So see here, he created one file vi app.java file application.java file, and so he written some code. He written some code. Just insert. I means insert. Just assume this is the Java class. Don't worry, for your understanding purpose, I am giving whatever it may be. Not only this, anything, just I given something for your understanding purpose. That's it. Anyway, we are not running project and all. Escape colon X. That's it. Now, so developer he created one file. Okay. Now this file, is it visible here? Our console, DevOps console, as of now. Anyone? So developer created one file. Now can you see that file in our mission? Anyone?
No,
No.
sir.
As of now, no, right? Now like, why just he created, but he didn't commit, he didn't push. Now anyway, git status, and so git add. Same commands, guys. If you have doubt, we can ask. Okay. Created app.java. Okay. Now git push. I pushed file to central also. Now see here. Now I pushed file to central also. Now go and check whether it is available or not. Central repository. See. Now app.java file available here. Just now we pushed. Now this file, can I see DevOps console? See here. Can you see that file here? app.java. అర్థమవుతుందా? No, because so he is the developer. He updated one file, he created one file, and work is done, he pushed. file to central repository. Now I am the DevOps engineer. As of now, I didn't implement anything. I need that latest implementation. I need whatever whoever implemented that updates I need in my local. So which command we are using? So mostly we are using, this is the command. Mostly we are using, what is the command? So this is the, I am the DevOps engineer, right? I need these changes. Now someone, this guy created one file. This guy created one file. app.java file he created. And so once work is done, and he finally pushed. So remaining story same only. And he pushed file to, pushed means he used git push command. See here, used git push command. Push is nothing but local to central repository. Blindly remember, push means local to central. Now he pushed local to central. He pushed local to central repository. Now he pushed local to central repository. Now he pushed, now that code is available here. Now got it. Now that file is available here. Now app.java file available here. Same story. Real time also we are following same strategy. Don't confuse here. Now this file is available central repository. Now I am the DevOps engineer. I need these latest changes. What are the changes available? If anyone, maybe a few people working night shift, few people working day shift. For example, I am the day shift, and night developer they implemented something, and I want that new changes to in my local mission. So that case, this is the command. What is the command? Git pull command. This is very simple only. Don't confuse here. Pull is nothing but, so we are updating local. If any changes happening central, that changes I want to update my local. That is nothing but git pull. Clear guys? Anyone any doubt here? So pull is nothing but central to local. Push is nothing but local to central. That's clear, right? Anyone any doubt here? Local to central, that is nothing but push, and central to local, that is nothing but pull. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see, I am coming. I am the DevOps. So as of now, I don't have anything. See here, I have only two files, config.txt, test.txt. And if you see central repository, there is one more file also available, app.java file. Someone is pushed. Now I need this file, my local. What is the command? So what is the command? Git. What is the command? Pull. Pull means central to local. If any changes, if any updates in central, I want to update my local. So if you want to update, so we can use git pull command. See, I typed git pull command. What is happening? See here, fast forward app.java. There is 4 lines. One file is changed. Now that is added in our local. Now check it. Earlier 3, right? Now we can see earlier 2 files. Now we can see one more file. Now we can see one more file. app.java file. I hope everyone got it, right? Anyone, any doubt here? So pull, very, very important. Pull is nothing but if you want to update in our local. So if any changes happening central, I want to sync it. I want to sync. This is the central. So many people pushing daily, right? So that changes, I want to update my local. So that case we are using git pull command. What is the command? Git pull command. Pull means central to local. That's it. Central to local. Now there is one more command is there, git fetch command. Git fetch command. There is one more command is there, git fetch command. This is somewhat tricky. Now we'll see. Before that, so what is the question they are asking? What is difference between so git pull and git fetch command? Very, very important. See here. So this is 100% they are asking. If they asked any question in git, 100% they are touch this question. What is difference between git pull and fetch? Now first we'll see uh, so orally, and we'll see practically. Now we know pull, what is happening. See here, this is the remote, and this is the index area, this is the working area, and this is the local repository. They given reverse order. I given different here, right, left to right, and here they given right to left, right to left. Same. This is the working area, this is the index area, this is the local repository, this is the remote. That's it. Now working area, index area, local repository, remote. Now if any changes here, if you want to update in your local, and see here, if you use pull command, see what is happening. It is updating local repository, it is updating working space and everything. That is nothing but merge. Whatever changes available here, everything automatically it will merge into in your local. That is as well as workspace also. Now, if you use fetch command, it is updating something. It is, see here, if you use fetch doesn't work, the fetch command only copy changes into local Git, but it won't merge anything in our workspace and all. So if you use pull means local as well as workspace both are it is updating. But if you use fetch means the fetch command only copy changes. It is giving some information. Some changes happening remote repository. That changes only the copy changes into local Git repository. But it won't merge anything in our working area and all. So this is very, very important. So try to understand what is happening. Try to understand what is happening, how it will work. I hope clear, right? Anyone, any doubt here? Git pull means both area automatically it will update. Git pull means both area automatically it will update. Git fetch means it is updating only. So fetch command only copy changes. If any changes here, new changes, and it is copying that changes into local repository, but it won't merge any code in our working workspace and all. That is untracked. So now how it will work, we'll see practically. Now come to here. Now you know, right? Anyone, any doubt here, guys? Pull command, or I can do one more file. Now got it? What, Hemant? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so pull is very, very important. Now if it is clear, let's move on to fetch command. Now just assume here, now this is the what is this app.java file. Just assume you are the DevOps engineer. I am going to update one file. See, config.txt file, anything I am going to update. I am DevOps engineer. I am going to update one file, vi config.txt file. Insert insert, and I am going to see here updated for updated so DevOps. Okay, I am giving like this for understanding purpose. I added one more line, escape colon x. Now remaining stores area, who updating? DevOps guy. Okay, now same I am using same commands. Quickly I am using same command, git add, and so git commit -m updated config file. Okay, now finally git push -u and branch name master. Even it will not work. Okay, that's it. Now see here, I pushed. Now go to central repository, and just refresh it. So now see here, so just now config file updated. Now you can see that line. Now can you see this line in developer console? Anyone guess it? Can you see that changes in developer console?
No, sir.
See cat space config dot. See, only one line we can see, but so who updated? DevOps engineer updated. He pushed changes to central repository. Now that changes available in central. Now developer wants to update local repository. What is the command? They want to update. If any changes happening central repository, so this same code, so he want to update local also. What is the command? Central నుంచి నా local update అవ్వాలి. ఏం కమాండ్ యూస్ చేయాలి మనం? See here, I want to update my
Push,
local. Anyone, even developer or tester, anything. If anyone want to update local, so what is
push
the command?
command.
Push central to local.
Say pull, git pull
Git
command.
pull command. Git pull command. That's it.
Pull command.
Now see here, it is pull is happening. One file is changed. Now check this. Earlier we can see only one line, right? Now we can see one more line, cat space config dot. Now see here, we can see. I hope everyone clear, right? Still anyone any doubt? What is git pull command? Pull is nothing but central to local. If any changes, new updates in central, I want to update that changes local. So that case we go for a git pull command. Now what is git fetch command? Now this is clear, right? Pull or delay, clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Now I'm coming to fetch command. Now come to here. ఇప్పుడు ఎక్కడ అప్డేట్ చేయమంటారు? డెవలపర్ ఆర్ డెవాప్స్ ఇంజనీర్, దట్ ఈస్ యువర్ విష్, వేర్ ఎవర్ వీ క్యాన్ అప్డేట్. ఓకే. నౌ ఐఎమ్ కమింగ్ టు developer console. Now see here, I am going to update same file. See here, I am going to update same file, git, or I am creating one file also. I am going to one file. See here, vi vi I'm giving so any one file, or we can modify anything whatever it may be, or I'm going to update vi app.java file, insert. Okay. Now I'm adding one more line also. Here I'm going to add one more line. Whatever you want, we can just updation purpose only. So for fetch. Okay, that's it. Escape colon x. Now, who is this developer? Developer updated the app.java file. Remaining same story. Git add, next git commit -m updated app.java. Okay. Next git push. Okay, I am giving. That's it. Now he pushed. Work is done. Developer work is done, and he pushed file to central repository. Now can you see these changes here? Can you see these changes here? Cat space app dot. Can you see that changes in DevOps console? Developer DevOps కనిపిస్తుందా కనిపిదా? Usually we cannot see. So if you want to update local, what is the command? ఇప్పుడు నాకు సెంటర్ లో ఉంది
Full command.
pull command. We need to use pull command, but I am not using pull command. I am using git fetch command. Just pull already we know. Now what is the fetch command? See here, git fetch fetch command. So even if I use fetch command, now see here, remote enumerating objects 5 how many objects, it is doing something, and it is giving some information only. What we need to understand here, see here, it is giving some information. See, fetch means the fetch command only copy changes into local git repository, but it won't merge anything. Now I used git fetch command. Now check it whether that is updated or not. See here, cat space app.java. So can you see that new changes here? Even if I use fetch command, I used fetch command. Can you see that new update? Yes or no? See, here we can see two
No, sir.
lines, right? No, correct? app.java file. So here we can see two lines, developer. But if we come to DevOps, even if I use fetch command, I can't see, it is not updated in my local. Now what it is happening? It is copied and it is copied from that new changes into local repository, but it won't merged. Now we'll see all repositories. Now I want to see all branches. Okay. Now so this is your local, right? Now I want to see remote branches also. This is a command, git branch hyphen a all branches. Now see here. So right now this is I am pointing to local. Remote means this is the remote branches. This is the remote. See here, remote origin head, remote origin master. So now these are the remote branches. This is your local branch. Now, so based on this conversation, what it did, the fetch means it command only copy changes to your local. So local only, but it won't merge anything in our my working area and all. Now see here, I want to move this branch. This is a master, right? Right now I am in which branch? Try to understand here. So right now I am in which branch? Master. Okay. Now I want to go to that branch name. So actually, if you want to switch the branch, this is the command. Anyway, next command I will explain this one. For time being, just observe. Okay, git checkout, and so this is the branch master. Okay, what is this? Any typo? Git.
Yeah, correct, correct only, correct.
Now it's switched, right? Okay. Now it is the
Yeah.
information only. Now see here. Earlier I am in master. That is local branch. Now see here, I connected to remote branch. I connected to remote branch, and this is the commit ID. Now if you go and check, if you want to, we can check here. What is that latest commit and all, we can check here also. Okay. Now, now see here, cat space, and so what is the file name? App, right? Now see, we can see this new line. But if you see this line in my local branch, we can't see this one. So this is a remote branch. This is a remote. Remote means here available this file, right? So if you see here, this is a remote. Here we can see that line, but this line we can't see in my local. Correct? Now what I am going to do? Now coming to again switch to master branch. If you want to switch, git checkout master. I am coming to master. Now see here, cat space and app data. We can't see that line. Now what I need to do? So local it is available. That remote branch it is available. I want to merge that to here. We need to use one more command, extra command. So what is that? So first get. I want to see all branches. Hyphen or RA. So all branches. This is the branch, right? Here that file is available, and that line update also available. Now this is the local. This is the local. This is the remote branch. So now I am going to merge from remote to local. This is the command. Get extra command. We need to use merge and remote branch name where that data is available here, right? Copy this one and paste it. Now see here, one file changed. See here, Java dot it is far forward, it is updated that everything and all. Earlier we can't see, right? Now check it, cat space app.java. Now see here, now data is updated or not. So if you use git fetch command, it won't update immediately. It won't merge any code in our working area. Just it is copying from references. It is copying from some references and it is keep into the local repository. Okay. If really if you want to update working area also, we need to use one more command, git merge command. What is that command? Git merge command. So this is the command, git merge. First we need to use git fetch command. After fetch command, next git checkout, go to remote r branch, remote branch, and again come to git checkout, again come to local branch, that is your main branch, that is the b name, branch name. Now here we need to use git merge, merg merge, and remote branch name. So this is the remote branch name. This is the r means a remote branch name. Okay. So anyone, any doubt here? Now clear? So now what you understand? So this
Clear,
is
sir.
very important. So what is difference between git pull and git fetch? Git pull means, so if you use git pull means if any changes in central, automatically that changes update in your local repository. But if you use git fetch command, if you use git fetch command, see here, so this is this fetch command only copies changes into your local git repository, but it won't merge anything. If you want to merge it, finally we need to use one more command, git merge also. So see here, two areas automatically it will update. If you use pull command, local repository as well as working space, work area, that is untracked files, automatically it is updating. But if you use git fetch command, it is updating only local. It won't update anything in our working area. So that case we need to use one more command. What is that command? Git merge command. If an hour if you need, so that case we need to use this one. Just fetch is nothing but only intimation. here some changes is happening, so that changes it is copy into local repository, but really it won't merge anything in our working area. If you want to merge, so we need to use this command. I hope clear, right? So anyone any doubt here? What is difference between git fetch and git merge? Sorry, git fetch and git pull. Hello? What Hemant? Clear? Really?
Yes, sir.
Very important.
Yes.
First try to practice, or so if we have still doubt, we can ask next class also, no problem. Now, if it is clear, let's move on to one more command. How to create branches? Branch. Now, if observe here, so here, so I have right now I am using master only. Right now I am using master only. Now see here, git brn says branch all hyphen a means all. See here, this is the this is the this is the master branch. Right now I am pointing to master branch. I want to create one more branch. Generally, if you come to real time, we are not working with master. They won't give any access also. That is second story. So this is the master branch. Just assume this is the master. So this is the master branch. This is master. This is the master branch. Okay.
Clear, sir.
Now this is the I am going to create one more branch. So if we come to real time, we are maintaining many branches, guys. So this is the master branch, and so many branches we are maintaining based on project. So by default, master is available. Development branch, development branch, development branch, and test branch, and stage branch, and master is nothing but this is the master is nothing but that is production, and also hotfix branch, and also feature branch, and also release branch. So like this, we are maintaining many branches. So for tester purpose, we are giving one branch. For developers, we are giving development branch. For release and all, we are giving release branch. For future development and all, we are going to develop future branch only. But if you see here, as of now, we can see only one branch. Now observe here, as of now, what are the branch name? Master only. No. So for developer purpose, I need to create one more branch for dev branch. So now how to create branch? How to create branch? What is the concept? How to create branch? So if you want to create any branch, so there is a command git branch hyphen b and branch name. That's it. Now anyway, I hope already everyone got this one, and so here everything already I noted, just follow it. So if you want to create any branch, now see here, so git branch hyphen a, git branch hyphen a, and git, so these are the commands. So these are the commands, whatever you want we can use it. If you want to see branches, and we can use git hyphen a, see here, git branch hyphen a, we can use all, and so git branch hyphen r also we can use it. Type, all right, git brn branch hyphen r only we can see remote branches, and if you use a means all branches, r means remote branches, and so git branch, and see here there is many commands, right? Git show hyphen branch also we can use it. So hyphen branch, it will also display same, purpose is same only, purpose is same only. See here, right now we are in so master branch. So branch means which branch you are pointing, and what is the last update, what is the last update file, what is the last update file, and all we can see. Now what is our requirement? I want to create one new branch. Right now I am in master. Now I want to create one new branch. If you want to create any branch, this is the command git branch or branch name, or git checkout hyphen b or branch name. Now we'll see what is difference between this command and this command. Now I'm going to create one branch. How to create branch, guys? Git branch and hyphen b and branch name. So same, whatever you want we can use first this one, git branch name. Now I'm using dev branch. What is this? Development. Okay. So git branch name. This is the syntax. Git branch name. Now if you use this one, now branch is created. Now how to see whether that branch is created or not? This is the command. Git branch hyphen a means all. Now we can see all branches. Now see here master. Now development branch is created. Now see here development branch was created. Now got it. Star represents, so we are pointing to which branch. Now see here I am in master branch. I am in master branch. Now come to here. Now what is happening? This is the master. Here already I have three files. Now see here what are those files. Now see here. Go to here. See I have three files. Now see here what are those files. App.java file. What are those files? App.java file, and also config.txt file, and also test.txt file. I have three files in master. Now I created one branch. So from master branch, I created one branch. See, observe here. Now I created one branch. From which branch? Master only. Now what is the command I used? This is the command. Git branch, and branch name I given development. Now development branch was created. This is the development branch. This is the development branch. Now you try to understand one thing. So this is the master and this is the development. Not only master, any branch. Now this is the source branch. This is the source. In my source branch, I have three files. Now I created one development branch. So now here what is behavior like? Whatever source code, whatever files, whatever data available here, everything automatically come to new branch also. Everything automatically it will come to new branch also. Now here also by default we can see these files. App.java file we can see, config.txt file we can see, and test.txt file also we can see here. I hope you got it right. Anyone any doubt here? Now this is the master branch. Now this is the development branch. From master I created development branch. Now whatever data, whatever source code, what are the files available in master, all automatically it is inherited from new branch. అన్ని ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేస్తాయి ఆటోమేటిక్గా. Now observe here, sir, whether we can see that one. Now we'll see. Now first let me switch to that branch. Right now I'm in master, right? If you want to switch, this is the command. If you want to switch, this is the command. Git switch, and so if you want to switch this branch name, we can use this command. See here, git. mm, Already there somewhere I written that how to switch that branch also we can use. Now see here, now I'm in master. I want to switch to development branch. So this is the command git swit say switch, and which branch you want to move. Right now I'm in master. I want to move which branch? Development branch, right? That's type development. Now see here, now I'm in which branch? Development branch. Now based on this conversation, now see here, so from master already I have three files. In development also how many files we can see? ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని ఫైల్స్ ఉండాలి నాకు? ఇక్కడ కూడా ఎన్ని ఉండాలి? హలో,
Three
three
files.
files ఉండాలి. Now see here, can you see that three files here? So that is the behavior. If we create any branch from source branch, what are the source code available here? Same code automatically it will come to new branch also. This is the common behavior. Now in master already I have three files. Now I created one new branch, development branch. So automatically we can see all these files in my this branch also. That's it. Nothing. Don't confuse here. Now here also we can see all files. All files we can see here. And same content also. See here, add space. Whatever you want, we can check it. See here. అంటే ఇక్కడ మాస్టర్లో మనకి ఏ డేటా ఉంది, ఏ ఫైల్స్ ఉందో ఆటోమేటిక్గా అవన్నీ ఇక్కడికి ఇన్హెరిట్ అయిపోతాయి. సో డోంట్ డూ ఎనీ ఎక్స్ట్రా యాక్టివిటీస్. సో డోంట్ డూ ఇఫ్ యూ క్రియేట్, దిస్ ఈస్ ద సోర్స్ బ్రాంచ్. రైట్ నౌ దిస్ ఈస్ ద సోర్స్. ఫ్రమ్ మాస్టర్ ఐ క్రియేటెడ్ డెవలప్మెంట్ బ్రాంచ్. Now what are the data available here? Everything automatically it comes here also, new branch. So this is the command branch git branch and branch name. Or we can use one more command also. So git checkout -b and branch name. Now I'm using test branch. Now I'm using test branch. So from which branch you want to create, whether you want to create master or whether we can create development, we can see that one. See here, now I am in development branch. Now if you want to move to master branch, git switch. Now I'm using master. Now see here, now switch to master branch. Now I'm in master. Now how many branches as of now? Git branch -a. I have two branches, master and development. Currently I am in which branch? Master. Now I'm going to create one more branch. See here, git checkout. We can use any command. Git branch name also we can use, or git checkout -b. I'm using branch name, test branch. Now you observe here, if you use the git branch name, it is creating one branch. It won't connect automatically that branch. But now I am using git checkout command. Checkout -b, and I am using test branch. It will create one test branch and automatically it will switch to that branch also. Now observe here, both are same purpose only. But what is this? What is difference between this command and this command? If you use this command means it is creating one branch, but automatically it won't connect that branch. Suppose I want to create one branch and automatically I want to connect that branch also. So that case we can use git checkout command. Git checkout -b branch name. Now see here. So branch is created, test branch. Now automatically it is connected to that branch also. Now check it files. Now we can see here also we can see same files. I hope now got it right. Now see here. I created one more branch. Correct. So I created one more branch. So I created one more branch. So this is the test branch I created. What is this branch name? Test. This is the test branch I created. Now whatever files available here, everything we can see here also. This is the test branch. From which branch I created? From which branch? Master only. So same, whatever available in master, same thing automatically we can see here also. Here also we can see, here also we can see all these files. Here also we can check it, all these files. What are those files we can see, observe here? Here also we can see app.java file. Here also we can see config.txt file. And here also we can see test.txt file. I hope clear, right? So now this is the source. Now this is the new branch. This is the source branch and this is the new branch. What is this command? We can use any one command. Git branch name, or we can use git checkout -b branch name. And if you want to see the all branches, what is this command? So if you want to see all branches, so this is the command, right? Git branch -a. A means all, or we can use git branch -r, only remote branches. Or also we can use this one also, git show -branch. It will display you are which point, which branch you are pointing, and what is the last commit, what is the last file you modified, what is the last commit and all, we can commit message and all, we can see it. We can see it. I hope you got it right. So anyone, any doubt here? Clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay. So these are now you know how to create branch and how to switch the branch. If you want to switch that branch, what is the command? This is the command, git and branch name, b name. So what is this command? Git switch and b name, branch name. That's it. If you want to create branch, git branch name, git checkout -b branch name. And if you want to see all branches, -a, only remote branch -r. And if you want to see which is the current branch and what is the last commit message, last file. If you want to see, we can use git show -branch. That's it. Clear? So next class we'll see. And so how to switch and how to merge one branch to another branch, very important. or else this is also very important. So how to merge files from one branch to another branch, and what is difference between git merge and git rebase command. This is also very important. Rebase. So mostly these are the topmost commands in git. What is difference between git pull and git fetch, and what is difference between git merge and git rebase command. Okay, so that's from my side today, and I'm stopping here. If you have any doubt,